deal? He's like, no way, dude. I don't think so. No.
Get the doggy. Walk the doggy. The doggy's so cute.
Get the ball.
Doggy. Sorry, Dad.
Here's a doggy.
So bright out.
Here, honey. Take it. Take it. Come on. You're not going to play with it. I'm going to give it to Ivan. Ivan will pull it.
Uh-oh, deal making. Nope. Ivan's like, I'm not stupid, dude.
Get Ivan's ball. Is that okay? See, Ivan just did. It's a present. Keep playing.
Aww.
Here, show him how you walk your dog, honey. Show him how to walk your dog.
Aw, look how cute.
Go walk your doggy.
This is from Sean. It's too big for his grill, but it's to grill vegetables.
Yeah?
Yeah, put it right on the grill.
All right.
I was going to buy Dad one. Oh, I was going to buy him one. Really? Hold on, I'm going to go to my computer. Where's the groceries in there?
Yeah.
Here, Ivan. I mean, Aiden.
Bongos. Look at this. That's it.
Here, Dad. Two balls. Play two balls.
Here, play.
Two. Look at him. Grandpa.
You did a good job.
Here,
Yeah.
two
Look,
balls.
he's got 2 balls. He's playing with your ball. You want to play with him?
Hope we don't get mad. Gotta share. Show him your doggy, honey. Oh. Maybe in time.
Come on, baby. Walk your dog. Come with me.
Yay!
Walk your doggy.
Oh, he's having fun.
He's having fun for balls, isn't he? Come on.
How cute. Uh-oh.
Oh, God. Yay, Ivan!
Aiden, get a ball.
Here, Aiden.
Aiden, get the ball. Go on, guys.
Ivan's almost as tall.
Oh, yes. Oh, look how... Uh-oh.
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 Hey, Mike.
Oh. Yeah, it's a doggy. Hold on now. You can play with the cars. Oh, you got the ball. Very good. No. He's like, no.
That's Ivan's balls. You can let Ivan play with his toys. Those are Ivan's toys, too.
Whee! So cute. Oh, he likes the dog so much. Uh-oh. Don't throw it.
Joggers in there probably fitting.
I might have some.
Give Grandma the ball, honey. Give Grandma the ball.
Come over here and play with it.
Oh, he's going to take the
You and I can
doggy.
play with the ball. Throw the ball back and forth. Play catch.
Oh, he's having fun. Take it, honey.
All right.
Yeah, ball.
You want that with me? You like your little doggy? Yeah, that's nice. Yeah, that's nice. You like that better than the big ones?
Say Ivan.
Say hello.
Hi.
Mike.
Say hello.
Oh, all those balls.
No,
No, no. No. Oh my goodness.
Ready.
You gonna share the ball?
A bone?
I don't have a bone.
That's the camera.
No. Hi.
Aiden, that's Ivan.
That's Ivan's ball.
Here comes the boss.
How about tennis balls?
Ivan's the boss, man. Oh, don't get too dizzy. Ivan's real bossy. So many balls.
There goes the yellow one. He don't know which one to get.
The wind is blowing him. He wants them both.
Yay!
Oh gosh.
Play, baby.
Watch your
Oh,
head.
he went like that like he was a baseball player.
Watch
Ivan.
your hat. No, you want, yeah, his head, Ivan's head. You gotta be careful.
Ivan, no, come on.
You want your hat?
No.
Aiden's worried about Ivan bumping his head.
Come here, Aiden. Oh, look at
You want that?
drum circle. Come here, dude.
Yeah, he's lighting up.
Oh, look at that. Oh.
Go play the drum.
That's Aunt Sarah's. Oh, look at him.
Yeah, he likes the color.
Yeah, I said that.
Yeah.
We didn't buy pink for boys.
Look at that. Come here, Aiden. Come here, dude. Come here, Aiden. Over here, dude. Oh, he's following Buddy around. There's my computer.
Be careful.
Play the drum.
In the house, sweet.
Drum, 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 drum.
Hey, dude, come here, Aiden.
Look at this. Buddy. Aw, there you go. Yeah! Woo! Come here, Aiden. Come here, Aiden. Oh, that's good. That's good. Wow. Aiden, come here, Aiden. Do it. Come on, Aiden. Do it. Aiden. Thank you. Did you get that on film? No. Thank you. Hmm? You can try one. I'll give it to him. Thanks.
You wipe your face, honey.
Hi. I'm just gonna give Ivan one. Check this out. Check this out. Get it. Get it. Get it. Oh,
That's
look
really
it.
nice.
Oh, he's gonna feed him. Oh. He's gonna feed him another one. Good job. Good job.
Only one, honey.
Hopefully he doesn't choke.
Pick it up and throw it away.
There we go.
There we go.
Uh-oh.
It's dirty. Now go put it in garbage.